for sure.
Okay, Mau. So, anong feeling mo ngayon?
I'm so happy and thank you po sa 20k viewers.
So, 20k viewers na sila. So, baka may gusto kang invite na manood sa'yo.
Yes po, actually they are watching po. From Batch to FNP, thank you guys. Especially to our President, Sheila Mansal.
Okay! Okay. So, may mga gusto ka bang sabihin sa mga future hospitality dreamers, culinary dreamers? Ano yung mga ma-advise mo sa kanila? Ngayon na nasa Mika ka na.
Yes po. Advice ko lang po sa future hospitality, grab the opportunity, don't hesitate because here in Mika, you will learn the best and you will learn from the best people and you will have a lot of friends. Not just for F&B, but you can also have friends from culinary, housekeeping, and even for everyone, for the guests. You can connect with every people, even for the different kind of people like our guests.
Okay, thank you so much, Maureen. So, nakita niyo naman yung mga sinabi niya. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-pressure para sa susunod.
Kasi pang Miss Universe.
Actually, universe kasi yung sagot niya.
Thank you, candidate number 2.
One question.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you po.
ma'am.
Thank you
Ay,